Hi, today I'm making an orange chive butter. This is a very simple and quick compound butter that's easy to make. I'm starting with chives from my garden. I've cut up enough, 2 or 3 stalks to chop fine. I'm going to rinse those stalks, as you can see. I'm going to be using one whole orange, and I'm going to actually clean that with baking soda. And just make sure that the orange is as clean as possible. So I just sort of spray it, and then I'm going to rinse that off and make sure it's clean. You can grate the orange peel a couple of kinds of ways. You can use the backside of the grater like you see here, or if you have what I use as a cheese grater that looks like this, you can use that type as well. But you want to have enough for at least 1 teaspoon of orange peel, and then I'm using about a tablespoon of finely chopped chives. I'm also using a 1/2 cup of softened unsalted butter, and I'm going to combine those ingredients, right? I'll mix them well, and once they are well mixed and everything is combined, I'm going to transfer them to parchment paper. And on the parchment paper, I'm going to shape them into a log, twist the ends of the log, right? And so it's going to be a round log. So when I get ready to freeze it, it will freeze in this log shape that I'm able to slice. And we put it in the refrigerator or the freezer, depending on how quickly you want it. I put it in the refrigerator about an hour and it's ready to go. If I'm trying to do it quicker, I can do it a 1/2 hour in the freezer. And once it's completely cold and firm, you can cut into slices. And this is perfect for scones, for biscuits. You can even use it on toast. It's a very delicate butter. You can use it on fish or vegetables. But that is orange chive butter.